Get that saw, we're gonna cut these boards.
So what do we need boards for? Matter of fact, why are we setting this condenser so far from the house? Anyway, I'm about to go get my probes. Matter of fact, you should check out those digital probes, man. They're really nice.
What I want one of them for?
I mean, all the techs are using them these days. They're becoming pretty much industry standard in the field, really.
I didn't ask you who had one. I said what I want with one.
Yeah, personally, I think it makes diagnostic a whole lot easier. You can see all the parameters at once, especially when you use a Measure Quick. It's pretty much that, you ever heard Measure Quick?
How much this cost?
Yeah, I think it's about $200 for the pressure transducers, maybe, around give or take.
No, that's just $200. $200 cash money, see?
They're really not that expensive, a couple $100. As a matter of fact, you can get them off of True Tech Tools or wherever and pay monthly payments on them. I mean, probably $20, $30 a month.
Not me. I ain't gonna owe nobody nothing if I can help it. Miss a payment, they come and snatch it right out your house, then what you got? Huh? See? Now, when I get $200 clear, I'll buy me a TV. I got better things to do with my money. All right, I'll tell you what. You get $100, I'll put the other 100 with it. What?
So you want me to put $100 to your probe set?
Yeah.
Man, I know you can afford them. You're making money out here.
You want to see my bank book? You want to see that $73.22 I got sitting up in there? There you go. That's $200 worth.
Hey, Denzel, can I ask you a question real quick?
Hell, you got to ask me. Mr. Stawicki, the one you got the questions for.
Why don't you like digital probes?
Like you? Who the hell said I got to like you? What law is there say I got to like you? Want to stand up in front of my face and ask a damn fool-ass question like that? Talking about liking. Come here, boy, when I talk to you. Straighten up, goddammit. I asked you a question. What law is there say I got to like you?
None.
All right, then. Then get the hell out of my face and get on down to that A&P.